Yo, what's up everybody? So this video doesn't have a sponsor, so I'm gonna sponsor it myself. I'm not interrupting the video for too long, I promise. I'm just doing a bunch of the 10-year orders. So I have launched the 10-year merch, man, and it has gone down an absolute treat. I've had so much positive reaction of it. If you want to grab some, the link is down below. I truly appreciate everyone's support. This year I'm going to be smashing out the YouTube. We're trying to arrange some stuff right now for everybody. And I'm about to go film a collab with B7TMY, so you'll see that next. And yeah, we're going to check out his dodgy welds on his exhaust. So that should be enjoyable. Right, I need to pack up these orders so we can get them out today. T-shirts, snapbacks, sweater and beanie that I'm wearing right now. This is one of the t-shirts I'm wearing. I've got 2 t-shirts available. I've tried to keep them all like super affordable, but the ink is like all metallic gold, so it looks absolutely sick. And yeah, they're all double print, all come bagged, everything like that. So all your support is amazing. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Peace! What's up everybody, and welcome to another new video. I think this is my second new video of 2020, so I thought let's start it off with a collab. So what other Essex YouTuber to start with other than my man Tommy? And he's even wearing the merch. What a boy. Didn't even ask. Yes, true. It's true. You got your new whip, man.
Got the new Golf. I've gone German on my bag.
How do you feel?
I'm liking it. It's different. I've never had DSG. I've always been manual, so it is nice and it's lazy. It's got adaptive cruising control, so I can have a nap while I'm driving. Do you know what I mean? It is very nice. The build quality is a lot better than all the Fords I've owned previously. I know a lot of people hate that.
Ooh, they're not going to like that, are they?
The build quality is a lot better. You do feel it. It drives very nice. It is sometimes a bit dull drivability, but I think it just needs a bit more mods, maybe some coilovers or something, because everyone sort of just slaps these on springs already and no one really goes for that track vibe with it.
Right. I see. I don't know really anything about these apart from they're super popular and you can make them massive power.
Yeah,
like that's, to me, they're just a new car. So
yeah,
like,
it's sort of the evolution. Like everyone's gone from like Fiesta STs to Golf R's. I feel like it's sort of that new pocket rocket.
Yeah, it's a fantastic looking thing. So this is a Golf R7.
Yeah,
right.
0.5. This is the 7. So
this is a 7. You've obviously had some mods done already. So shoot, what are they?
Put a big sticker on it.
You've put a very, very big sticker on it.
Sat in the Key West. I call it the Kanye West.
The Kanye West.
Yeah,
okay.
Tinted the windows out. Put some OZ Ultra Ligeras on it the other day. They are beautiful.
They are lovely, lovely wheels. They are.
Yeah, it's got AirTech intake. It's also got like the integral of the elbow and the D-cap.
Can you see them when you open a bonnet?
None of them are fitted yet.
Oh, okay.
You can see the intake. The intake's on.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, let's have a look.
I don't know what side the thing's to pop it.
You idiot.
So find out.
Oh my god.
I'm on the wrong side.
You idiot.
Yeah, I've got a lot of car parts in it. It's a very, from what I'm used to, it's a very nice car. A lot of people gave me a lot of shit about the wrap colour. I think it looks nice. It's like a Tiffany.
It is like a Tiffany colour. It's nice.
Satin Tiffany.
Yeah, it looked good driving along. And see, you got it done in the centre of the badge as well. So, you've also ignored a mod that I want to ask you about. That awful res delete or whatever the fuck it was. It was the worst thing I've ever seen, Tommy.
Intake. This is a nice look. Look how clean.
Yeah. You can change the subject all you want, mate. But I'm jacking this car up and having a look at that fucking welding. That was shocking. I gave Tommy a present for coming down here. I gave him 2 presents actually.
I found it. I found one.
And look at that.
Pineapple.
10-year anniversary celebrations of 621, and it's a pineapple. You're a fucking duck.
Got it.
Pineapple. How does that smell, boy?
Trying to think of what.
Smells
so
like
when
pineapple.
you get like a pack of sweeties that have the pineapple ones, like the yellow ones, like that.
Yeah, they're good, right?
Banging like that smell.
Proper nice smells. If anybody wants one of them, I'll link them down below, and as well as all the other merch that you'll see in the video. But for now, Tommy, let's get this in because we're doing a mod on it today. Yeah. You're filming a video too, so we'll let you do that.
We are doing, modification-wise, I have a Maxim Design splitter kit with like weird aero stuff. It should look sick. I'm excited because the car looks a bit basic at the moment. Like I know it's got the wrap on the wheels, but it needs them extra accents to really complete the car, I feel like. Do you know what I mean? So I should I had it on the Focus RS, and everything should just complement each other. And luckily I've had all this chrome and stuff wrapped over already, so it should just all mould into one beauty. But
hopefully.
I need to lower it because I've got big arch caps. It's bad.
Yeah, that is.
It's dangerous.
Quite.
Cats fall asleep in there in the night. I'll go drive in the morning. I could kill a cat.
You could, and you do look like you nonce kids with a car this high.
Yeah.
Also, I know this isn't one of my cars we're working on the channel today, but me and Tommy have been friends for a long time. He doesn't live too far from me, so he said I need somewhere to fit the lip on the car. So can we do it in your unit? And I thought, yeah, it's cool chance for a collab, have a little bit of fun with another YouTuber. And yeah, I quite like the Golfs. I mean, I wouldn't go out and purchase one maybe, but like I do like them. I think that's like a fair thing to say. Like, I think
you have an appreciation. You respect them slightly.
Well, my friend Max Crouch has just bought a really nice. I think it's a 7.5. It is beautiful, but once again, it's a very expensive car. But I think they do look great. I think they do look great. Really, really nice. And obviously the colour is different. Unique for you, I guess. But you're in that. You're a part of that generation where a wrap and wheels is a build, innit? So I guess. So yeah, I guess that's a thing. None of your subscribers are going to follow me because I'm just slagging everyone off. I'm sorry. I'll try and stop. We're both from Essex. It's just what happens, isn't it? Like, you're just nasty to each other.
Deal with it.
Yeah. So this is what we are fitting to Tommy's Golf. And I'd be interested to see what you guys that watch... Sorry, what are you saying?
You got a knife?
Yeah, of course I've got a knife. I'm from Essex. Be interesting to see what my viewers think of this sort of car, because I know you guys tend to prefer like the Nissans and the Hondas. This is something new. It's a pretty popular whip, so be interested to see what my followers think. I'm not going to get one. Don't worry. I think they're probably going to be like, oh no, he's going to buy one. I'm not going to buy one, but
I hate you, Adam. Why?
but Max has one, so we might be able to do some videos with him because he works for OMW Tuning as well. So yeah, maybe. I've never seen anyone struggle harder with getting something out of a box. If you want to check that out, go check out Tommy's video. But yeah, I guess that's out. Well, I guess we'll see how this looks. Is it FRP? Plastic? Not carbon, no?
Nah, not carbon pippers.
So Tommy's got all the bits out now, ready to go on the whip. I hope this looks good. My main whole wanting to do a video on this was so we can jack the car up and have a look at this dodgy ass mod that he had done the other day. I just want to check it out in person because it's funny. Really, that's the honest answer. So thanks. Tommy, we've just lined it up. It looks pretty smart. Are you happy with it so far?
I am pleased.
So you've had to undo the bottom plastic tray thing and be able to reach around. Finn, stop humping the guest.
Yeah, just took some torque twists out and pulled out my little fingers and dropped it so you can actually get your hands in behind it. Because you've got to put a nut on the top. So you're going to nut it up, get a good nut on it.
Get a good nut in there.
And then it'll be good. Yeah.
So I think we've got that all on correctly. And we're back on my camera, by the way, sorry. Yeah. We keep having to swap cameras.
I can tell because your muff on top is disgusting.
Yeah.
Looks like a sandpit, dried out sandpit on top of the camera.
It's pretty gross. Yeah, we've got it loosely stuck on. It looks pretty smart. I have to say, I think you should probably get it wrapped. It's a different colour black.
No, because this is
dirt.
Dirt effect, look.
Oh, okay. Fair enough.
Back to black. It will look sick.
Right, cool. Do you want to start drilling then?
Yeah. I don't like drilling cars.
I don't like drilling cars either. I don't mind drilling that thing. Shall we drill the side skirts onto that? I've got some updates to include people on this, but the videos don't do very well. So right now, while it's freezing, I just can't be asked to do videos on this. But it will be done soon. But I'm going on a drift day on the 11th. Not in this, but in the Silvia. So it should be sick. Excellent. Oh, lovely.
I've got all of them.
Right, front lip is on. How'd you feel?
My hands and knuckles hurt, but we're all right.
I think it looks pretty smart, man.
It's not bad. I thought when it's on the floor as well and grounded, it'll look really good.
Well, do you want to do that now? Grab the axle stands out and have a little look, or do you want to put any more in?
I'll leave it on for now because I need to put the sides on. I'll do the sides.
Oh yeah, okay.
I'm too scared to put it down yet.
What have I just done to your car? I've tagged it, mate.
Sprinkled the fucking salt on the steak, mate.
I tagged it.
Look at the sauce.
Look,
oh,
let's try and
get that angle there. It matches with the car.
Look, they changes colour like nothing else I've ever seen. Now, if anybody wants me to put these up for sale, they will not be cheap because this vinyl is ridiculous. They look amazing and they go purple, blue, green. So yeah, that's pretty sick. And I just wanted one on Tommy's car. Even if he takes it off, I'll kick him in the nuts. Going under.
I'm just not gonna look. Outside,
I've got my little torch on. We're going up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hang on, I need to put the camera down so I can have a proper look at this. Oh dear. There's a clamp right here. They could have just took this fucking clamp off, man. Oh my god, hang on. I'm trying to just feel if it's even all the way around properly. Oh man, dude. Oh, dude. Oh my god. And that's where he fucking nicked it. You might have seen on the video, he clipped it with the pissing thing over there, look. That weld looks absolutely vile. Hang on. Oh no, that's just over it. Wow. Oh well. Right.
The sort of angles and sharp edges on this car. So it does bits. It does bits, but it's another thing I've got to keep clean now.
There it is. It is done. Looks great. I actually really like. I tell you what. I even said I'm not sure about the side skirts, didn't I?
Yeah.
But now that the car is on the floor, I like them more than I like this front lip. I think they are better than the front lip. So, yeah, really like it. I have to say, I really love the wheels you've got on the car, dude. I think the wrap looks great. Yeah, really happy. Are you happy?
Happy chappy.
Right, if you don't follow Tommy, make sure you do. Go and follow his videos and his Instagram. Check out Liam's Mk4. Liam on Instagram too, get his followers up. He's got some yellow speeds going on his golf soon. Check out the anniversary on there. And then yeah, what you got coming next?
Wherever I find
nothing then. Cool. Cheers for coming down, dude. It's a lot of fun. If things work out and you end up down here more often, that would be cool. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to go and warm up now because I am completely numb because it's so cold. Tommy's car is just here. Make sure you go follow his YouTube channel. I'll link it all down below, B7TMY. And make sure you check me out on Instagram because I'm vain and I want more followers. Sick! Right, I'm out. Peace.